Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Ang reading na to is about your future self. This is a timeless reading, so anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Baka check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so Gemini, tignan muna natin kung ano yung timeline ng reading nyo. Anong future? Like, timeline ng future. Ilang years or months into the future. One year from now. Ayan. So, 1 year from now. Let's see. What are the energies coming to you 1 year from now? For Gemini. You have Wunyo. This is Berkanu. And this is Yera. Oh, okay. Wow. So, Berkanu, this is about new beginnings. So, 1 year from now, merong magsisimula. Bago. This can be a new job, a new career, new relationships. Some of you, this can be a baby. So, 1 year from now, kung ikaw ay nagbabalak or gusto magkaanak, so, yeah, meron. May opportunity for you to have a baby. And then, Wunyo is about happiness, joy, and pleasure eh. So, maaring you will enjoy your relationships, your connections to others, yung mga pinagkakaabalahan mo, yung career mo, trabaho mo, business mo. You also have Yera. Yera is about harvest, rewards. So, 1 year from now, yung mga pinaghirapan mong trabaho, pinaghirapan mong business, relationship, makukuha mo yung resulta nun, yung bunga nung pinaghirapan mo, nung trinabaho mo. So, napakaganda ng energies for you, Gemini, 1 year from now. So, you will reap the rewards of your hard work. You have, diba? You have the Fool, which is about freedom, new beginnings, taking some risks. Alam mo yung energy ng ng isang bata na very jolly, excited to try new things. Yun ang nakikita ko para sa inyo. Meron kayong mga experience na first time nyo lang may experience at magiging masaya kayo, excited. So, pwedeng travel ito, no? Pwedeng you will visit a place na matagal mo nang gustong puntahan and 1 year from now, mapupuntahan mo na. Definitely, there's baby coming in. You have the Ace of Cups. Oh my God, may sun pa. The sun is also an energy of a child, a baby, that will bring happiness para sa'yo. And this can also mean like a new career or a business na kung saan magiging masaya ka. It's like a fulfillment, no, ng gusto mo, ng path na gusto mo. And I'm seeing a lot of birds. So birds is about flying, reaching new heights, no? So kumbaga may mga milestones ka na is to celebrate 1 year from now. You have the 9 of Swords and the 7 of Swords. However, syempre, kapag, yung iba kasi pag nakikita nila nagiging successful ang isang tao, merong dyan merong naiinggit or who wants to bring you down. Wag mong pansinin yung mga comment ng ibang tao sa'yo. Kung alam mong hindi naman totoo at kung alam mo na hindi ka naman nito hindi ito makakabuti para sa'yo kapag pinansin mo. Kasi maaring meron kang aalalahanin or gugulo sa isip mo dahil sa isang betrayal na gagawin ng isang tao sa'yo. You have the Knight of Wands. So definitely there is exciting events sa buhay mo. This can be an exciting career path. Merong learnings din dito. Pwedeng meron kang pag-aaralan. Meron kang uh, negosyo na sisimulan. I also see you buying a property. Buying a lot, buying your own house. You have the Four of Cups and the Knight of Cups. If in case, no, ikaw ay nasa isang relationship, I feel like meron ditong marireveal sa relationship na to if hindi talaga para sa iyo at ang taong to or hindi maganda yung intentions niya towards you. So, at least that is going to be para sa kabutihan mo kung ito man ay ma-reveal sa'yo. I also see an opportunity sa'yo sa ibang bansa. Maaring merong isang kaibigan na tutulong sa'yo, magbibigay ng opportunity sa'yo na subukan ang career path sa ibang bansa. Pwedeng iti-take mo rin to, pero pag-iisipan mo munang maigi. Ito ay may kinalaman kasi sa skills mo eh. Marami kang talento, marami kang kakayanan. Kaya ang opportunity para sa'yo napakarami. Ngayon, kailangan mo na lang talagang piliin kung saan nag-a-align yung energy mo, yung gusto mo. 'Di ba? Kung saan ka sa tingin mo mapapabuti, saan mas maibibigay yung dinedeserve mo. Kasi syempre nag-iiba-iba yan ang offer, 'di ba? You are stepping into your own power, Gemini. Marami kang madidiscover sa sarili mo. Maaring meron kang ma-unlock na abilities or gifts na hindi mo akalain na kaya mo palang gawin. Meron kang ima-master na craft, ima-master na skill na ikaw lang yung isa sa nakakagawa nun ng pinakamaganda, pinakamagaling. I see you leaving a toxic situation, whether this is romantic or family or friendship. And ang maa-attract mo after that is yung soul family mo, soulmate mo. So, in case lang na magkaroon ng separation sa isang relationship connection, there's a reason kasi dinadala ka dun sa destiny mo. 'Di ba? Kasi 'di ba nagdadasal tayo or nagma-manifest tayo ng person sa buhay natin, but mali naman pala yung sitwasyon na meron tayo, 'di ba? So, yun yung kailangang i-purge, yun yung kailangan tanggalin sa buhay mo para ma-align ka doon sa soul's purpose mo. And may mga mangyayaring yung tinatawag na serendipitous. So, kumbaga, siya, nag-a-align sa path mo talaga. You have Saturn and Virgo in the 6th house. Maaring meron ka mga iiwasang taong kausapin kasi you feel like they are not, parang nalaman mo na kung ano yung intentions nila sa'yo and iiwas ka sa kanila rather than kukomprontahin mo sila kasi ayaw mo nang i-stress yung sarili mo. Grabe Gemini, 1 year from now, yung iba sa inyo mabubuntis, magkakaanak, manganganak. This can also be, pwede rin tong parang meron kang project na ilo-launch, sisimulan, can be a business as well. Marami kang magiging admirers. You have Moon in Leo in the 5th house. Maaring i-showcase mo yung talents and skills mo, tapos marami makaka-appreciate ng galing mo, talento mo, talino mo, and people will admire you for that. Don't forget to breathe. Don't forget to breathe. The calmer you are, the more time slows down and the easier it is to get everything done. Yes. So, mas magiging organized ka sa iyong mga tasks. Mas magiging maayos yung sistema na susundin mo para ma-accomplish mo lahat yung kailangan mong matapos. Needs. Do you need more time to yourself? Ayan. So, mas marami kang time rin sa sarili mo. Kumbaga, magagamit mo yung oras at panahon mo sa mga kapaki-pakinabang na bagay kasama ang mga taong gusto mong makasama. Oo. Ayan. So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.